Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where can you manage the night mode option in the AtlasNavi application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you're done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the bottom of your right corner and there you will see a setting symbol. Press on it and in this page you will be able to find the settings as well. Press on that as well. And here you can see under the navigation category the night mode option being the first one. You can just press on it and you can see that by default it is set to the auto mode. You can also press on and you can see now that the night mode is activated, and if you press on off you can see that it is deactivated once again and the app will be white. So yeah, pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.